Tired of the 9 to 5? This AI hack could build your fortune by Friday? That ambitious title isn't clickbait. It's a bold promise about a real shift happening right now. For years, the traditional 9 to 5 has been the default. You trade hours for dollars, your time for a paycheck, often feeling stuck, uninspired, and frankly underutilized. But what if the very technology that's dominating headlines, artificial intelligence, isn't just a threat to jobs, but your greatest ally in building unprecedented financial freedom? What if you could leverage AI right now to create genuine income streams, even passive ones, that could start generating serious revenue for you, potentially by the end of this week? Today, we're cutting through the hype and diving deep into how you, right now, can use AI not just for simple tasks, but as a strategic partner to generate significant income. Revolutionize your work-life balance and truly escape the rat race. Get ready, because the blueprint for building your fortune with AI is surprisingly within reach. Let's understand why AI is such a game changer for income generation. Historically, starting a business, even a side hustle, required immense time, specialized skills, and significant upfront capital. AI changes the equation entirely. It democratizes creation, putting the power of a highly skilled team at your fingertips, often for free or very low cost. Think of AI as your endlessly patient, incredibly fast, an unbelievably knowledgeable intern, assistant, and creative director, all rolled into one. It handles the grunt work, automates repetitive tasks, and generates high-quality output in seconds, freeing you up to focus on strategy, scaling, and ultimately building the vision. This isn't about replacing human effort. It's about amplifying it by an order of magnitude. The barrier to entry for these AI-powered ventures is incredibly low, making it accessible even if you have zero coding experience or a limited budget. One of the most potent ways to build fortune with AI is through AI-powered content creation. Content is king online, and businesses, creators, and individuals constantly need it. AI can generate articles, blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, and even entire ebooks at lightning speed. Imagine using an AI writing assistant to draft a 2,000-word blog post in less than 20 minutes, which you then refine and sell to clients or publish on your own monetized blog. Or use AI image generators to create unique, captivating visuals for social media campaigns. Print, on-demand designs, or even stock photo libraries, all without needing to be a graphic designer. This allows you to produce a massive volume of high-quality content, build multiple content assets, and establish authority in various niches, all of which can be monetized through advertising, affiliate marketing, or direct sales. This creates a powerful engine for passive income, working for you 24/7. Beyond content, AI is a powerhouse for creating and automating services and digital products. Consider the world of digital product creation, ebooks, online courses, templates, and even software. AI can help you outline an entire course curriculum, write compelling sales copy for your ebook, or even generate code snippets for a simple app. This dramatically reduces the time and specialized knowledge traditionally required to launch digital products, allowing you to quickly test ideas and scale successful ones. For services, AI can transform your efficiency. If you offer consulting, coaching, or any service that involves research or communication, AI can automate significant portions. This allows you to take on more clients, offer services at a lower cost, or simply free up your time to focus on the high-value, human-centric aspects of your business. AI isn't replacing your expertise. It's extending your reach and enhancing your output. As AI becomes more ubiquitous, a new set of highly valuable skills is emerging: prompt engineering and AI consulting. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting effective instructions for AI models to get the desired output. It's a niche skill, but incredibly powerful. Businesses are willing to pay for prompt engineers who can consistently extract high-quality, relevant results from AI for their specific needs. This is a unique high-demand service that requires creativity and understanding of AI capabilities, rather than deep coding knowledge. Beyond that, AI consulting is booming. Many businesses know they need AI but don't know where to start. If you understand AI tools, their applications, and how they can solve real-world business problems, you can offer consulting services. You don't need to build the AI. You need to know how to leverage existing AI tools to optimize workflows, create new products, or cut costs for your clients. This is a high-value service with significant earning potential, as businesses are desperate to integrate AI effectively. So how do you go from simply understanding these AI hacks to actually building your fortune by Friday? It starts with immediate, decisive action. Step 1. Identify your niche and pain point. Where does your existing knowledge or interest intersect with a market need? What problems can AI help you solve for others? Pick one specific area. Step 2. Master one AI tool. You don't need to learn every AI. Pick one powerful tool and become proficient in its use for your chosen niche. Understand its strengths and limitations. Step 3. Create a minimum viable product. Use your chosen AI tool to create a simple, high-quality sample. This MVP is your proof of concept. Step 4. Find your first client or platform. Go where your potential customers already are. Use freelance platforms or upload it to digital marketplaces. Start generating that first bit of revenue. Step 5. Iterate and scale. Once you have that first client or sale, learn from the experience, refine your process, and then focus on scaling. While the promise of by Friday highlights the speed of AI, remember that building true, lasting fortune is a marathon, not a sprint. However, AI radically shortens that marathon. It removes many traditional barriers, accelerates creation, allows you to generate income streams that were previously only accessible to large teams or highly specialized experts. This isn't just about quick cash. It's about redefining your relationship with work. It's about empowering you to build a lifestyle where your income isn't tied to an hourly wage or a demanding boss, but to your ingenuity, your strategic thinking, and the incredible power of artificial intelligence. So, are you ready to stop trading hours for dollars? Are you ready to leverage the most powerful technology of our time to build your own fortune? The tools are available. The blueprint is clear. The only question left is, what will you build first?